Unsa man ni? Who's this? Ay, ano man siya? Ay, Al-Wahib! Al-Wahib ba? Theo. I know. Na, 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 na. Oh, hello, Seal? Hello, Seal?
No, teacher.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Can you try to speak, honey? Can you try to speak? Honey, I think you are phrasing. I will check my internet, okay? If my internet is good. Because I think you are freezing, honey. Hold on for a while. Oh, my internet is good. It's 150 Mbps. Okay. Seal, can you try to check your internet, honey? Because a while ago you were freezing.
It's okay now.
Oh, it's okay now. Okay, how are you, Seal? How are you today?
I'm very good.
Yeah, you're very good. That's really great to hear, honey. Oh yeah, Seal, I have a question for you. Like, are you going to celebrate New Year's Eve tomorrow?
Yes.
I see. How are you going to celebrate it?
Mm, I don't know.
Me, I am just going to celebrate at home, and I actually bought a lot of food today, honey, from the grocery store. Since we're going to have a celebration tomorrow, honey, for the New Year's Eve. How about you? Are you going to celebrate at home, or you're going to eat out at the restaurant with your family? How are you going to celebrate the New Year's Eve? No, you don't know. You still don't know. But
Yes.
how about last year, honey? How about last year? How did you celebrate it last year? If you still remember, how
We
did how did you celebrate it
we
last year?
gathering
Mm,
we gathering us
mm.
home.
Ah, I see, honey. So you have the regular New Year on December 3rd, I mean January 1, and you also celebrate the Tet holiday, right? The Tet New Year, right? So
Yes.
basically you have two New Years, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, honey, did you go to school today?
No.
Oh, you didn't. I see. Okay, anyway, honey, teacher's now going to share the screen and we're going to continue with our lesson, okay? We are still in Cat 2 test 3. The key English test 1 test 2 speaking. So I am going to share the screen. You already answered these questions. I need the questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right now we're going to have question number 6, honey, which you weren't able to answer last time. Okay, Seal? Let's have question number 6. Please read what's written in question number 6, honey.
Do you like going to school?
Very good. Do you like going to school, Seal?
Mm,
Do you like going to school? I want an honest answer, honey. Because for me, okay, I'm going to be honest to you, okay? When I was younger, I really didn't like to go to school. Like, I mean, I like studying, but it was very tiring for me. Like, yeah, yeah, I feel so tired going to school, honey. And I didn't like it. How about you right now? Do you like going to school now?
I just like going to school when it have a um mm,
When?
some cool activity
Ah, school activities like what? Like what?
like some mm,
Like PE activities, sports activities, like that?
yes.
Ah, okay. How about the academic, honey? Like, answering activities, like math activities. Yeah, English
I'm not.
activities. Do you like, you don't like it? Okay. Anyway, honey, thank you so much, my dear, for answering this part. Now we're going to have the speaking part two. For this part, honey, okay, you are going to read the prompt card first. You're going to have the prompt card first, my dear. Read what's written in the prompt card. And then after that, we are going, yeah, if you are lucky, hold on. Ah, you are lucky today, honey. You're not going to make questions, but you're going to answer the questions. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
Seal? Now, okay, but before answering and reading the questions, I want you to read what's written inside the prompt card. Please read. Can you
Come
read?
to Peter
Mm,
party.
mm,
He passed his school exam.
mm.
Garden room, rent hotel Saturday night, ate to 11:30 p.m.
Very good. Okay, are you ready to read the questions and the answers, honey? Okay, this is actually the example, honey, because for the next few sessions, honey, for the next few units, you will be the one to make the questions. And after making the questions, you will be the one to answer it too. Okay, so this for this part, honey, since we are still using the Cat 1 as 2, you are still having given the time to prepare. Yeah. Okay? Okay, so let's have this one, honey. Question number 1. Where is the party held? Please read.
It is held in Garden Room of Grand Hotel.
Very good. 2. Whose party is it?
It is Peter Party.
Peter's. It is Peter's party. Remember, honey, I think I thought I taught you about the possessive noun last time. Do you remember the possessive noun?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Say here, this is the example of the possessive noun. It is Peter's party. Whose party is it?
It is Peter's party.
Very good. It is Peter's party. When we say possessive noun, honey, the word Peter, honey, should be added with apostrophe and the S. So it means the owner of the party, honey, is Peter. Okay, anyway, let's have the next one. Why does Peter hold the party?
Because he passes his school exam.
Passed his
Yes.
school exam. Or because he has passed his school exam. 4. Oh, wait. What's for number 4? Okay, 4. What time does it finish?
It's finished at
Finishes.
11. Finishes at 11:30 p.m.
Very good. Number 5. Can we dance there?
Yes, we can.
Yes, very good, honey. Now, let's have this one. Okay. Please read what's written in the prompt card, honey.
English make easy. Oh, David, happy birthday. I can see this.
You can see? Or
Yes.
so it's so small? It is so small,
I
honey. Is it very
I
small?
mean, the text under the book, I can see.
Ah, I'm this one. The card, right?
Yes.
One. Okay. Actually, it's so hard to see it. Okay, I'm going to try to read it, honey. To David, happy birthday from all your friends. Okay, next. This one. White's bookshop,
White
English
bookshop.
made easy. £4 to £99. Total of £4 to 99 pounds. Thank you. Okay, that's it. Now, we have here the questions, honey. The questions are all given, and all you need to do is just to answer all these questions in correct, or I mean, in full sentence, complete sentence. Okay? You ready? You're going to base
Yes.
your answers here, honey. Base your answers here. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, let's start with question number 1. Who is the present for? I mean, who is the present for? The present is for?
The present is for David.
Very good. Present is for David. Great. Very good. Okay, 2. Why does she get? David, I think it's he, honey. Why does he get a present? Why does he get a present?
Because it is David's birthday.
Okay. He gets a present. Honey, when you're answering a question, you don't get to start with the word because. Okay? Because it's kind of informal. So, for example, the question goes like this. Why does she get a present? So you say, he gets a present. He gets a present because it's his birthday. Okay? Honey, remember, Seal. When you're answering a question, you don't get to start your answer with the word because. Okay? Because that's kind of informal. Okay? So you start with, he gets a present because it is his birthday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Question number 3. Please read question number 3, Seal. Kindly read question number 3.
What is the name of the book?
Great. What is the name of the book, Seal?
It is English Made Easy.
Very good. Next, how much is it?
This is uh, for
It's four, or it costs 4 to 99 pounds.
for
Okay?
mm,
Yeah. Here's the price, honey.
okay.
Look. This one and this one. Okay? Oh, all right. Let's have number 5, honey. Let's go to number 5. Please read what's written in number 5, honey. Kindly read.
What is the name of the shop?
Very good. What is the name of the shop?
It is a white bookshop.
Yes, white. Honey, remember the possessive noun? It is White's
White
bookshop.
bookshop.
Very good. Okay, now let's read your answers, honey. Let's start with number 1. Who is the present for? The present is for?
The person is for David.
Very good. Number 2. Why does she get a
David.
present? Oh, honey, I'm sorry.
He
David
get
should
a
be,
present
it should be
because
he. Okay, continue. Yeah, continue, honey.
he gets a present because it is his birthday.
Very good. Honey, I'm sorry. It happened already. He got the present already. So we're going to use the word got. I'm sorry, honey. Teacher made a mistake. Okay. Number 3. What is the name of the book?
It is English Made Easy.
Okay. How much is it?
It costs £4 to £99.
Very good. 5. What is the name of the shop? What is the name of the shop?
It is White Bookshop.
Okay. Honey, can I get my water, please? Can you wait for me? Can you wait for
Okay.
me for a bit? I will just get my water. I'm very thirsty, honey. Hold on.
E e e.
Okay, thank you so much, Seal. All right. We are already done with this material, honey. So now we are going to have the next material, my dear. Are you ready for the next material, Seal?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Okay.
Yes, I do.
You're so cute. Okay. So we are now going to have the Cat 1 Task 3 Seal. This one. Okay, we are now going to have the Key English Test 1, Speaking Test 3. So let me delete that one and let's have this one now. Okay, let's have this one, my dear, the part 1. You have to answer these following questions, honey, and add more details to make your answer little bit longer. Okay, now let's have question number 1, honey. How long have you learned English?
I started learning English when I was 5 years old.
5 years old? Whoa! So you are now, how old are you now, honey? Again, how old are you now?
12 years old.
You're 12. Whoa, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have been studying or learning English for 60 years now. I mean, six years now. Am I right? 60 years? Right? Am I right,
Yes.
honey? Yeah. Whoa, that's why you really speak so good and well. Mm-hmm. Okay, wow. Okay. So did you have learning centers or English learning centers before Seal?
Yes.
I
English was my first subject I learned from the center.
see.
The center name is Dream Sky when I was 5 years old and learning there.
Wow. Was it
Mm,
hard for you?
I was a little bit of shy when I'm learning English, so
But now
mm,
you're not. You're not shy anymore.
yes,
Yeah. Okay. How about your sister, honey? How about your sister? Huyen, right? How long has she been studying English?
I don't know.
Is it your younger sister, honey, or big sister?
Older six.
Ah, older sister. I see, honey. Okay. So let's have question number 2. What time do your lesson starts in the morning, honey?
Mm, 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 my first lesson
Mm.
start at 8 a.m.
My first lesson starts at 8 a.m. Say it again one more time.
My first lesson start at 8 a.m.
Yes. Okay, very good. Question number 8 a.m., honey. Whoa. So, what time do you wake up in the morning?
Six, mm, 6:13 p.m.
Mm. Ah, okay, okay, honey. That's very early. Ah, so you really need to sleep so early too, honey. See, right? Yeah.
No,
What time do you sleep?
11 p.m.
Okay. 11. Don't you feel sleepy at school, honey? Because I think 11 p.m. is kind of late. And then you wake up at 6. So 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have, yeah. It's enough of, yeah, you get a lot of sleep on enough sleep because it's 7 hours. Okay. Anyway, let's have question number 3, honey. Please read question number 3.
How many students are there in your class?
Very good. How many students are there in your class?
There are 46 students in my class.
Very good. Okay, very good, honey. 46?
Yes.
40. That's a lot. Oh my goodness. Honey, isn't it noisy? Isn't it noisy and messy to have 46 students in a
Or
classroom?
when you don't have a teacher.
Uh-huh. It's very noisy. Yeah. Okay, you know what, honey? I teach in public school. Yeah, and I only have 20 to 25 students each day. Yeah. And having 20 students in my classroom, honey, teaching 20 students in my classroom each day, honey, gives me a lot of headache each night and each day, honey, because it's very noisy. They make a lot of noise. And I am imagining right now 46 students in a classroom. I think, so noisy. That's times two,
Yeah,
times two
maybe.
my class. Not really. Not really. Do you have a class president, honey?
Oh,
Or
what?
classroom president, something like that? Student president in your classroom? Do you have?
Yes.
Okay. And he is the one who manages your class, right? Yeah. He's the one
Yes.
to say, oh, you should stop making noise, blah, blah, blah. But in my classroom, honey, no. I am the teacher and I am the one who manages the class because it's not allowed in my school, in our school, honey, in the one, like in the school that where I'm working, honey, to have a class president. So I am the one who manages it. And it's so hard. Okay, anyway, honey, let's have the fourth question. How do you go to school every day?
Mm, I go to school by bike every day.
Bi- so you have a bike. Is your school near, is your house near the school, honey?
Not too much.
How many minutes should you ride your bike through your school?
Uh, I don't know.
10 minutes? 15 minutes? No, approximately.
15 minutes.
Oh, I see. Is it hard, honey? Is it easy to ride a bike? Yeah, going to school or hard?
It's easy.
I wish I had that opportunity when I was still studying, honey, because I just walked from my house to school for 10 minutes. Okay, let's have the next one, honey. What do you like doing after school? What do you like doing after school?
I like going home and playing video game.
Really? That's the first thing that you do after school, honey. Yeah, playing video games. Like computer games, honey, or mobile phone games.
No, I don't have no. My computer game is my my mother's. So
Ah,
she bring it to
mm.
she.
So you don't get to have the chance to play with the computer, honey, because your mom brings it to work.
Yes.
Okay, I see, honey. Thank you so much. So you only get to play games or mobile games using your phone. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Next one, honey. let's have the last one. Tell me something about your favorite teacher at school. Tell me something about her or him.
My favorite teacher is a teacher who teach the uh, uh, science.
Why, honey? Why do you like him? Why do you like her? Is it a girl?
Teacher. Her is mm,
Because she
very
is.
she's very young, so
She's very young.
she know about some things, many things of the student.
Ah, okay. Like she has like the same vibes as you, honey, as the students, my dear. Yeah. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Tell me the difference between a young student and an old. I mean, a young teacher and an old student. A teacher, honey. What's the difference between those two teachers? Can you tell me?
Old student, old teacher is mm, very very good, but um
But are they strict? Do you think they're strict, honey?
yes.
Actually, that's what I felt, honey, when I was a student, honey. I really didn't like the teachers who were very old, like not really old, but in their 50s or 40s, honey, because they're very strict. Yeah, they even don't make jokes. They don't even take jokes from the students. You cannot joke on them. You cannot give them jokes. Yeah, but for the younger student, honey, they laugh with you, right? They make jokes with you. Yeah, they share thoughts with you. Yeah. So I really understand you, honey. Okay. So let's have this one, honey. We have here this one, the structure, make it, we have here the question that goes, how long have you learned English? And we have here this kind of things that we're going to learn and how we create a structure answering the question, how long have you learned English? So we have here the word, let's start here first, honey, from this part. Please read this sentence, honey, this first sentence in the first box. Kindly read.
I have been living in Spain since 2012.
Very good. Okay, we have here the word. What is this word here?
Since
Since. One more time. Since.
since
Very good. Since 2012 or 2012. Okay, so we have here 4 plus the duration of time, honey. For example, 4.
for 6 years.
Okay, we also have this one, honey. I have been.
Living in Spain for 6 years.
Okay, when we use for, honey, we are referring, or we're going to continue with the period of time, the number, honey, or the time word. So when we measure the duration of something or how long it lasts, honey, so it has the start point and an end point, and it can be used in different tenses. For example, um, sentence number 1, honey, kindly read.
I studied English
In
in
Ireland.
Iceland for 2 years.
Yes, remember, honey, if we're using the word for, the next one to that, honey, is a number. number of years, number of months, or number of days, honey. Yeah. So for example, here, the person says, honey, I studied English in Ireland for 2 years. Yeah, for me, I studied English for about 25 years now. So 25 is a number, right, honey? 4 and then a number. Or a period of time. We have here this one. We have here a period of time, honey. A period of time also, which is month. Please read the example, my dear.
I will be there for around 2 months.
Okay. All right. So, for, honey, we have the word for and a period of time or time word, which is 2 months. Okay. I will be, for example, I will be going to Vietnam. I will be staying in Vietnam for 2 weeks. I will be staying in Vietnam for 2 months. Okay? Yeah, we are referring to a month, honey. For how many months are you, or like duration of time, honey? Duration of time. 4. We also have here the last sentence, honey. Given here, we have
We have been married for 16 years.
yes, duration of time also, honey. For how many years these people are married, honey? Yeah, for me too. I have been single for 25 years. Or I have been single for 13 years. Duration of time, honey. For how many years? So that's how we use the word for, honey, okay? We also have the specific examples here, honey. We have the phrase for
10 minutes. For 8 hours. For 5 days.
great.
For 6 months. For 3 years.
For 3 years. Next.
For 2 centuries.
Centuries. Okay, so remember, honey, when we use the word for, the continuation for that, honey, is plus period of time, number, or time word. Okay? Now, let's move forward to the word since. So it has a starting point, honey, a time, and a date. So when we use the word since, honey, it is when something started in the past, honey. It started in the past and still continues now. So since is the most used in the present perfect and perfect progressive tense, honey. For example, he hasn't eaten since 7 o'clock. That means he didn't eat starting at 7 o'clock, honey. And up until now, he is still not eating. Yeah, it's still continuing, honey. Number 2, please read.
I have been working here since June.
So, she started working, honey, at what? Yeah, what month? Since
June.
June. And she is still working up until now. She just stated, or he just stated, when she started working. Okay, but honey, we don't have enough time anymore. We just have seconds left. Thank you so much, Seal, for your time. And we are going to meet again, Seal, on Saturday. Thank you so much, honey, for your time. Bye-bye. You did so well, Seal. I'm so proud of you. Bye-bye. Good night. Happy New Year.
Goodbye, teacher.